The landscape of condo living is undergoing a significant transformation. Residents are no longer satisfied with just a roof over their heads. They are demanding more in terms of convenience, security, and technology. Super Smart Condos offers a comprehensive solution to meet these evolving needs. We integrate AI-powered robotic solutions to transform condo management, making it more efficient and user-friendly. Our technology focuses on three key areas: security, convenience, and sustainability. We offer advanced smart surveillance systems that ensure the safety of all residents. Our customizable delivery systems use AI to manage and deliver packages efficiently. We also provide tenant-friendly package management solutions, making it easier for residents to receive their deliveries. Super Smart Condos aims to elevate the condo living experience by integrating cutting-edge technology into everyday life. We strive to make buildings not only safer but also more energy efficient, contributing to a sustainable future. Our technology benefits both residents and property managers, creating a harmonious living environment. Join us as we explore the future of condo living, where technology and comfort go hand in hand to create a better living experience for everyone. Gone are the days of missed deliveries. Super Smart Condos eliminates package pileups. Our automated system ensures secure and efficient deliveries. Imagine a world without package room chaos. Our system provides real-time tracking for all deliveries. Residents receive notifications of package arrivals. Predictive delivery scheduling optimizes the entire process. This system operates 24/7 for maximum convenience. It streamlines operations for property managers and enhances the resident experience. Super Smart Condos takes condo security to the next level. Our AI-powered robotic surveillance system provides 24/7 monitoring. This system goes beyond traditional security cameras. It utilizes facial recognition to identify individuals. AI-powered threat detection identifies and responds to potential risks. Property managers have remote access to live video feeds. Residents also have access for added peace of mind. This comprehensive system ensures a secure environment for all. Food delivery solutions, enhancing tenant satisfaction. Food delivery has become an integral part of modern life. With the rise of on-demand services, residents expect quick and efficient delivery options. Super Smart Condos optimizes this experience for condo residents. Our state-of-the-art technology ensures that food deliveries are handled seamlessly. Our food delivery robots are equipped with temperature-controlled compartments. These robots are designed to keep food at the perfect temperature, whether it's hot or cold. Multi-zone cooling ensures optimal food freshness. This technology allows different compartments to maintain different temperatures, ensuring that every item stays fresh. Real-time monitoring allows residents to track their deliveries. Through our user-friendly app, residents can see exactly where their food is and when it will arrive. Our preservation technology maintains food quality from restaurant to doorstep. This ensures that meals arrive as fresh and delicious as when they left the restaurant. This system adds another layer of convenience to condo living. By integrating advanced technology with everyday needs, we enhance tenant satisfaction and make life easier for everyone. System maintenance and integration, proactive building management. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a building efficiently is more important than ever. Building maintenance is crucial for condo living. Regular inspections and timely repairs ensure that everything runs smoothly and residents are happy. Super Smart Condos simplifies this process. With our advanced technology, managing a building becomes a seamless experience. Our system provides automated maintenance alerts. These alerts notify managers of potential issues before they become major problems. Preemptive problem detection minimizes disruptions. By addressing issues early, we can prevent costly repairs and ensure continuous operation. Integrated monitoring ensures optimal building performance. Our system keeps an eye on all critical components, providing real-time data and insights. Imagine addressing issues before they escalate. This proactive approach helps in maintaining a high standard of living for all residents. Our system allows for proactive building management. Managers can make informed decisions quickly, ensuring the building operates at its best. This saves time and money for property managers. Efficient management means fewer emergencies and more satisfied residents. It also enhances the overall living experience for residents. A well-maintained building means happier, more content residents who can enjoy their home to the fullest. Ready to transform condo living? Sign up for our webinar today and get exclusive access to a free building security assessment and tailored recommendations, insights to reduce manual monitoring by 50% and cut response times by 70%, energy-saving strategies to lower costs by 55%, real-world case studies and a clear roadmap for seamless AI-driven surveillance integration, all with no strings attached. Let's build safer, smarter condo communities together.